Ever stood at the edge of your stamping line, watching as inefficiencies pile up and precision wavers, wondering if there's a way to have it all top-tier speed without sacrificing an ounce of accuracy? Well, today, that question gets a clear answer. Say hello to the large independent station manipulator series, the game changer you've been searching for, the missing piece that transforms good enough into outstanding. Let your eyes follow its movement for a moment. See how it glides across the production floor, each motion calculated to the millimeter. That's no accident. It's all thanks to its high-precision AC servo control, a technology that turns even the trickiest tasks into smooth, seamless operations. No more struggling with complex workpieces, no more jerky motions that throw off alignment. This arm handles odd shapes and delicate parts like a pro, sliding along as smooth as silk every time. Now, think about how your production line ships new orders, different specs, last-minute adjustments, with older systems that meant hours of reconfiguring and downtime. But with this manipulator, adjust stroke length, height, or angle on the spot via the intuitive controller. It shifts with your line. No rigid restrictions holding you back, flexibility designed for your business pace. And let's talk about materials, the lifeblood of your stamping operation. Cold-rolled steel 1 hour, hot-rolled the next, then stainless, aluminum, tough alloys. Most equipment slows down or needs recalibration, but this manipulator, it's a material master. Grip adjusts, speed adapts, precision holds switch materials and keep momentum, no slowdowns. Scaling your operation shouldn't mean starting from scratch, and with the large independent station manipulator series, it doesn't. Whether small shop or large facility, there's a model to fit, a 2000 to a 8000, strokes 4000, 7000 mm, matching your line's load and speed. No huge overhauls, just a seamless upgrade that grows with you. It also brings smart data into play. Integrated with your production management system, it tracks real-time metrics, cycle times, completion rates, even maintenance needs. No more guesswork on performance. You get clear insights to optimize schedules, spot bottlenecks, and keep the line running at peak efficiency. Safety isn't an afterthought here, it's built in. Stray tool, misplaced workpiece, obstacle, built-in sensors spot issues instantly. Emergency stop kicks in, protecting your team and equipment. That heavy-duty steel frame, it stands up to factory grind vibrations, temperature swings, and investment for years. From automotive parts to appliance panels, electronics to hardware, wherever stamping needs precision, this manipulator delivers. It takes on repetitive work, freeing your team to focus on problem solving and innovation. So, ready to stop settling for good enough? Turn downtime into productivity, inconsistency into reliability. The large independent station manipulator series is your stamping line's secret to success. Click now to upgrade and redefine what your line can do.